Guys, adding animations to your website and mobile app is a lot more than making things whoosh around the screen. If you use it strategically, it can actually do wonders for your business. So guys, let's take a tactical look at this thing. Most websites and mobile apps are static in nature. And by static, what I mean is that the elements on the screen do not move. So of course, if we introduce movement at any point in the screen, it's going to attract the user's attention to it. With that knowledge, animation becomes a really powerful tool that we can use to increase sales and to increase leads on our website or app. Now, that is just attention. As we know from movies and TV shows, animations are also really good at invoking emotions in humans. So let's think about this. We have control over the user's attention, and we also have the potential of introducing an emotional feeling, whether positive or negative. So all we need to do is apply a strategy to this, and we're already 80% of the way to getting that sale or potentially a lead. Alright guys, again, that's it for this week. So I hope to see you in the next video.